Hello, my dear lovely students. Welcome to the class. My name is Mansi and I am your English grammar educator. Today I will explain you the 24th chapter of class 4th. This chapter name is comprehension. What are comprehension? We have a passage. हमारे पास एक passage दिया हुआ होगा, उसमें से हमें कुछ क्वेश्चन के आंसर फाइंड आउट करने होते हैं. लाइक first question is read the passage on Taj Mahal and answer the following question that follows. ये ताजमहल के बारे में एक पैसेज दिया गया है और इनके हमें नीचे क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं, उनके आंसर हमें इस पैराग्राफ के अकॉर्डिंग देने हैं. ताजमहल इज इन आगरा, उत्तर प्रदेश. ताजमहल आगरा के उत्तर प्रदेश में है. इट हाइट से 240 feet. Taj Mahal was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. In 1631, Shah Jahan's wife Mumtaz Mahal died after giving birth to their 14th child. Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal in the memory of his wife. It is situated on the southern bank of the Yamuna River. The construction of Taj Mahal took more than 20 years. More than 20,000 workers from India, Persia, and Europe work all the day and the night to build Taj Mahal. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It is symbol of love. Now come to the question answer. Take right the correct option. Taj Mahal is in. Taj Mahal कहाँ पर है? Taj Mahal में आगरा में है. The Taj Mahal, the height of the Taj Mahal 240 feet. The Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. Taj Mahal is built on the bank of the river Yamuna. Now the next is Taj Mahal took more than dash years to be built. कितने? More than 20 years to be built. Now come to the next question. This is the all question we have to answer according to the paragraph. Now come to the next paragraph. Read the passage about World Yoga Day. यहाँ World Yoga Day के ऊपर एक पैराग्राफ दिया गया है and answer the question that followed. इसी टाइप से हमें आंसर करना है. World Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st of June. World Yoga Day 21st of June को मनाया जाता है. It helps people to know the benefit of yoga. ये people की help करती है योगा के benefits को जानने के लिए. It also helps people to protect themselves from diseases. बीमारियों से बचने के लिए भी help करती है. Yoga keeps people fit and healthy. Yoga is considered to be a 500 years old practice that organized in India. Originated in India. World Yoga Day is celebrated by the people of more than 170 countries, including USA, China, Canada, etc. People organize training camps and yoga competition on this day. Now come to the question. Take right the correct option. World Yoga Day is celebrated on. Yoga Day कब मनाया जाता है? देखिए इसमें हमने पढ़ा था 21st of June को. कब? 21st of June. Yoga keeps people fit, healthy. Fit और healthy दोनों रखता है. Both. Yoga in India is considered dash years old practice. कितना years old practice हमें बताया था पैराग्राफ में? 5,000 year old practice. World Yoga Day is celebrated by the people more than 170 countries. Now the next is write down the antonyms of the following words. Fit, unfit, healthy, unhealthy, day, night, more, less. Write any 3 benefits of yoga. यहाँ हमें योगा के 3 बेनिफिट लिखने हैं. योगा keeps the pupil fit and healthy. Yoga helps to protect us from diseases. We can can stay healthy, we can stay active by doing yoga. स्टेप से हमने योगा के ऊपर 3 सेंटेंसेस बनाए. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज read a short poem on population and answer the following question. Where are the fish that used to swim in this stream? I don't see them anymore. What does that mean? Where are the birds that used to dot the sky? They are not here anymore and I have to wonder why. Where are the frogs that used to croak around this lake? I can't hear them anymore. There must be some mistake. I wish there was a clock whose hand I could rewind. We might have saved these creatures if we just had more time. Time to make people see how we are damaging our earth. Time to realize, was it all truly worth? But the animals are disappearing at an alarming rate. If we don't finally bond together, it may really be too late. अब ये एक पोएम दी है, इसमें से फाइंड आउट करके हमें इसके आंसर लिखने हैं. Why do the fish not swim in water? Because people damage the earth. Why are the birds not seen flying in the sky? Because people pollute the air. Write one way to stop air pollution. Compare it with your friend to know more ways. एक वे लिखना है हमें, use less CNG cars and use public transport. Write a way to reduce water pollution. Don't put the garbage in the water. इस टाइप से हमें इन क्वेश्चन के आंसर लिखने थे. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द नेक्स्ट वन इज केयरफुली लुक एट द फॉलोइंग पोस्टर एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन एज फॉलोज. ये एक पोस्टर दे रखा है, इसे पढ़ के हमें आंसर करना है. डियर ऑल, लेट देयर बी फ्रेश एयर टू ब्रेथ एंड क्लीन वाटर टू ड्रिंक. Let us make our planet Earth a better place to live in. Plant more and more trees. Let us all join hands together and stop pollution. Say no to pollution. Go green. I say no to pollution. Do you? ये लिखा है आरव गुप्ता ने. Write true, T for true and F for false statement. He went to make Earth a better place to live in. This is true. He is asking for your support. This is true. The child wants to clean drinking water. This is true. The child wants to plant more trees. This is also a true. He does not want to stop pollution. This is false. Now come to the next question. The next is match the column. Column A to column B. Fresh air, clean water, better place, join hand and stop pollution. इस टाइप से हमने क्या किया, इसको देख के ये वाले क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट किया. तो इससे हमें क्या सीखने को मिला कि हम पैराग्राफ से कुछ क्वेश्चन के आंसर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. इसको हम बोलते हैं कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.